Nestled within the vibrant urban fabric of Bangkok, Trees House emerges as a meditation on the relationship between architecture and nature. Designed by Studio Bewell and completed in 2023, this single-story residence spans 253 square meters on a modest plot of land, yet unfolds with remarkable spatial richness. From its conception, the dwelling privileges living with trees as a foundational principle, positioning them not as ornament, but as primary catalysts for form and experience. The project's name, Trees House, reflects the homeowner's deep commitment to planting and cultivation. Trees are woven into the very DNA of the design process. They occupy the central courts, shape circulation paths, and influence spatial organization. In this way, vegetation becomes as integral to the house as walls or roofs, blurring the boundary between indoor comfort and outdoor life. At the heart of the plan lies a series of 7 interconnected courtyards, each one cradling trees that punctuate daily life with shifting patterns of light and shade. These green courts are not peripheral gardens but spatial anchors, around which living, dining, and private rooms turn. As daylight filters through leaf and branch, it animates interiors with dynamic plays of shadow, evoking a profound sense of presence and natural rhythm. Spatially, Trees House articulates 2 distinct zones, public and private, demarcated by a dark gray brick wall and unified by a continuous corridor that loops around the central court. On one side, communal spaces such as the living area and kitchen engage with the shifting greenery. On the other, the private bedrooms open directly onto their own courtyards, offering intimate connections to light, air, and vegetation throughout the day. This thoughtful organization serves multiple purposes. It creates privacy without isolation, fosters natural ventilation and daylight penetration, and cultivates a spatial sequence rich in sensory experience. The dark masonry helps temper harsh reflections under Bangkok's intense sun, while strategically placed skylights introduce a vertical dimension of light into the otherwise horizontal composition. Materially, the house balances the tactile weight of brick and concrete with transparent glass and gently patterned wooden elements. These materials frame views of the treetops and courtyards with quiet restraint, accentuating the dialogue between constructed space and the organic forms of the planted landscape. The result is an architecture that feels both grounded and open, solid yet receptive to natural forces. In essence, Trees House is more than a residence, it is an exploration of coexistence, between human activity and plant life, between shelter and landscape, between built boundaries and living growth. Here, architecture does not merely accommodate nature, but embraces it as an active partner in shaping everyday experience. Such integration invites us to reconsider the role of greenery in urban dwelling, not as a backdrop, but as an essential inhabitant of home life.